Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get your streak back on Duolingo. First of all, what you have to do is open Duolingo app on your phone. From here, you'll be able to see the fire icon, which is on the top. If I click on it, I'll be able to see I have no streak. I have 0-day streak. So I will go back on the month of January and I'll be able to see when I lost my streak. So I lost my streak on 28th of January. So what I will do, I will go to the home screen and open my phone's settings. From here, I will click on search settings and search for date and time. I will click on date and time. Now I will turn off this toggle called set time automatically. Now from here, what I will do, I will change my date from February 5th to 29th of January. If I click on OK, and what I will do, I will force close the Duolingo app by clicking on the Duolingo icon and click on the app info. Click on force stop, click on OK. Now go to the home screen and open Duolingo app once again. Now if you go back to the streak section, click on fire icon and you'll be able to see it will think the Duolingo app is thinking that today is 29th of January and I'll be able to continue my streak. So from here I will complete all the lessons till 5th of February, and after completing all of the lessons, I will go back once again to date and time section and turn on set time automatically. And that's how you will be able to get your streak back on Duolingo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.